Do you have a refrigerator that's in need of repair and live in New Rochelle? I got great news for you. Hey, this is Anthony, the Chief of Staff at the Appliance Doctors. And just wondering, is your refrigerator section a little warm? Do you see frost buildup in the back of your freezer section? Are you having a problem with your ice making? Or maybe the doors of your refrigerator are not closing properly. Well, I got great news for you. The Appliance Doctor's been in business since 1980. That's 38 years and counting. And we repair all brand refrigerators, including Sub-Zero, Viking, Whirlpool, GE, KitchenAid, Maytag, and Frigidaire, and most of the other brands. So any brand you have, we'll repair it. And we service Manhattan, Bronx, and Westchester County, and we have 15 technicians to help you out on a daily basis. So don't hesitate, give us a call. This is my friend here, the bobblehead doll. He looks just like me. I got him as a gift this Christmas. I think it's cute, right? Look. And this right here is an award that the Supers and the Resident Managers Club in Manhattan gave me for 2016-2017 Vendor of the Year. And if they have the confidence of letting me into their buildings in Manhattan to service their appliances, then you should have the confidence to give us a call and give us a shot. So anyway, again, we're 38 years and counting, and you can call us at 1-800-339-0353, 1-800-339-0353, and you just can't beat the service.